On this video today, I'm going to show you step by step on how to make money with affiliate marketing on Digistore24 as a complete beginner without any skills and without any experience. This method is very simple, and the best part is that I'm going to show you a free traffic source that you can use to make money as a complete beginner. So make sure you keep on watching till the end so that I'll show you everything that you need to know about this method. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. Now let's get into the details. The first step is that you have to join an affiliate network. There are a lot of different affiliate networks that you can join. You can join Market Health, you can join ClickBank, you can join Max Bounty, or any affiliate network that you know. In this case, I'm using Digistore24. Digistore24 is available worldwide, so you can search for it and then join. Once you join and log in, what you have to do is that you have to click on Marketplace so that you can find offers to promote. There are a lot of different offers on Digistore24. So once you click on the Marketplace, you can see a whole lot of different offers that you can promote to make money from home. You can see a whole lot of them. You can see the commission rate, you can see the cart conversion rate, and many other details of the products. So what you have to do is that you have to do the research and then find the best product that you want so that you can promote it. There are a lot of factors that you can consider before you determine whether a product is good to promote or not. One of the best factors that you can consider is the cart conversion rate. You can see this upper right here. The cart conversion rate is 36%. The cart conversion rate is the number of people who click on the link of the product and then go ahead to purchase it. That is the cart conversion rate. So if a product has a high cart conversion rate, it means a lot of people are buying it. If you promote it, you are equally going to get a sale when people click on your link. So that is the factor that you must consider. Apart from that, you can also consider the cancellation rate. The cancellation rate is the number of people who bought the product and later return it because they are not satisfied with what they got. That is the cancellation rate. So you have to also check the cancellation rate. This product, for example, you can see the cancellation rate is very low, 6.73%, and you can see the cart conversion is high, 36%. So if you promote the product to about 100 people, you are going to get 36% of those people purchasing the product for you to earn a commission. So you have to consider that. Apart from that, you can also consider the commission rate. If the commission rate is very low, you are not going to be earning a lot of money. But if the commission rate is very high, you are going to be getting a lot of money, even if you get 3 purchases or 4 purchases in a single day. So you have to also consider the commission rate. One good thing is that there are a lot of different products on Digistore24. So you can scroll and then make your analysis. Once you make your analysis, you can promote any product that you want. All the products, they are readily available for you to promote. You are approved to promote any product that you want. You can see they have them in pages, so just click on any of the pages that you want and then find a product that you can promote. They have the products in different categories, so if you have a specific category in mind that you want to promote, you can also come right here and then select any category that you want. You can see they have digital products, so when you click on it, you can see the subcategories of digital products that you can promote. You can see under each of the subcategories, they have a lot of available products that you can promote. For example, you can see business and investment. They have about 533 available products that you can promote. You can see the next one. They have about 234 available products that you can promote, and many others. You can see a whole lot of them. So no matter what you want, you can get a product to promote on Digistore24. You can see events and seminars. If you want that, you can click on it and then find a product to promote. Physical data medium, you can get a product. Services, you can get a product. Under physical products, you can get a product to promote. The physical products, most of them have a high commission rate, so you can click on it and then select either skincare or supplements. Any of them that you click on, you are going to get products that are available for you to promote. In this case, I'm going to be promoting a supplement, so let me click on it for you to see. As you can see, these are supplements that you can promote. As I scroll down, you can see a whole lot of different supplements that you can promote. You can see a whole lot of them. In this case, I'm going to be promoting this product right here. It is a new product, and the best part is that the cart conversion rate is very high. So if you promote it, you are going to be making sales. You can see the commission rate is also high, $146.56 per every sale that you get. So we can promote this product and then get people to buy it for us to earn a lot of money. To promote the product, you can look at the sales page to get more information about the product. You can also click on the affiliate support page so that you can get to know the resources that are available for you, so that you can use them to promote the product. In this case, I'm not interested in the available resources. What I want is that I want to get more information about the product. So just click on sales page. Once you click on the sales page, you can see this is the sales page of the product. You can see this is a brief description of the product. When you scroll down, you see many other information about the product. You can see the ingredients, you can see a whole lot of different information about the product. You can see the bonuses, you can see the pricing package. You can see they have about 3 different pricing packages that your potential visitors can choose. So any of them that they want, they can click on it and then make a purchase. You can see they have money back guarantee. So if your potential customers purchase the product, if they are not satisfied with the results, they can return it and then take their money back. You can see these are the frequently asked questions. So any of them that you want, you can click on it and then read more about the product. You can see everything. Now once you have gotten some brief information about the product, the next step is that you have to begin promoting it. You have to get people to click on your affiliate link and then make a purchase. To get your affiliate link, click right here, copy promo link. Once you click on it, your link has been copied to your clipboard. The next step is that you have to drive traffic to that link so that you can get people to purchase the product through your affiliate link so that you can be paid on the store 24. The traffic source that we are going to be using today is adpost.com. Adpost.com is a classified website that you can use to promote any product that you want. The best part is that the traffic on this website is of good quality. So if you promote your product here, you are likely going to get people who click on your affiliate link and then make a purchase for you to earn a commission on the store 24. You can see these are the countries that you can target, and most of the countries are tier 1 countries. So any of them that you select and post your ad, you're going to get people from that country to click on your affiliate link and then purchase the product for you to make money. You can see they have traffic from the United States, they have traffic from Canada, United Kingdom, Ireland, Australia, New Zealand. You can see Singapore, Malaysia, Philippines, Indonesia, India, Hong Kong. So any of these countries that you want, you can select it and then post your ad. To post an ad, you have to create your free account. Once you create your free account, you can be able to post an ad to any place that you want. I've already logged into my account, so I'm going to show you step by step on how you can run ads on this platform. To run an ad, you have to select the classifieds. Once you are there, click on post an ad now. Once you click on it, you're going to see a page like this. What you have to do is that you have to select the country that you are targeting. In this case, I'm going to target United Kingdom, so click on it. Once you select the country, the next step is that you have to select the category of the product that you are promoting. As I scroll down, you can see different categories that you can select. You can see a whole lot of them. In this case, the product that we are promoting is about weight loss. So as you can see, it is a weight loss supplement. You can see it. It is a weight loss supplement. So we have to select the health and beauty category. So just scroll down and then search for health and beauty. You can see it right here, health and beauty. Click on it. Once you click on it, you're going to see a page like this. You have to select the specific category of health and beauty. You can see they have vitamins and supplements. You can see they have weight loss. So any of them that you want, you can select. You can either select vitamins and supplements, or you can select weight loss. Any of the two that you select, it is suitable for the product that you are promoting. In this case, I'm going to select weight loss. Once that is done, you're going to scroll down. You can see caption header. You have to enter a caption here. So you can see for sale, wanted, services, others. So this one is for sale. The product is for sale, so you have to click on it. Once that is done, you can see caption. You have to enter the title of the product that you are promoting. You can come back on the product landing page and then highlight and copy this text. Highlight and copy this text. Once you highlight it, you are going to copy the text. Once you copy the text, you are going to come back, paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you are going to write a brief description of the product. So you have to come back on the product landing page. Once you come back, you can see this is a brief information about the product. So just highlight and copy it. Once you highlight and copy it, you are going to come back and then paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once you scroll down, you can see brand. If you want to enter the brand name, you can do that. You can see model. In this case, just leave it. Advertise, and when you click on it, you can see agent or dealer, owners. In this case, we are going to select agent. The default currency is pounds. What you have to do is that you have to come back on the restaurant for. Once you come back, you can see this is the price of the product. So you have to go back and then enter the same figure, or you can lower it because the pounds is higher than the dollar. So just leave it like this. Once that is done, you're going to scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can see payment forms. They are going to pay via credit card, so select credit card. Once that is done, you can see estimated shipping. You can see buyers pay, sellers pay, pickup only, no international shipping. So you have to enter the cost of the shipping here. In this case, we are going to enter 00 because our customers are going to enjoy free shipping. When you come back on the landing page of the product, you see that our customers are going to enjoy free shipping. You can see it right here, free shipping. But the first option, they have to pay a little shipping fee. The rest of the packages, they are going to be enjoying free shipping. So what we are going to do is that we are going to be using the free shipping. So just enter 0.00. Once that is done, you are going to select pick up only. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you're going to scroll down. You can see name. You have to enter your name here. Once you enter your name, you can see company. You have to enter your company, address, postal code, city, region, and county. So select any region or county that you want. In this case, these are not compulsory fields. So if you want, you can enter the details. If you don't want, you can leave it. In this case, we are only going to select the country. So click on it and then select any country that you want. We are targeting the United Kingdom. So you have to scroll down and then search for United Kingdom. You can see United Kingdom. Click on it. Once that is done, you're going to scroll down. If you want, you can enter a phone number here, but we are not going to enter anything, so just leave it. Once that is done, you're going to scroll down. You can see email address. Your email address must be here. Once that is done, you can see website. This is where you're going to paste your affiliate link. So you have to come back on this total info. Once you come back, click on copy promo link. Once you click on it, your affiliate link has been copied. Once you have your affiliate link, you are going to come back and then paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you are going to scroll down. You can see they have different premium options. So if you want to pay for your ad, you can see they have different options that you can choose. Any of them that you want, you can choose. But in this case, we are going to post it for free. When we get the sales, you can then buy any of the premium packages. So you can see everything. Now, once that is done, the next step is that you are going to preview your ad. So click right here, preview ad, so that you can see how your ad will appear. Once you click on preview, you can see this is your ad. You can see this is the title of the ad. You can see your description, the price, and everything else. So when you scroll down, you can see everything about your ad. You can see your affiliate link. It is clickable. So when people click on it, they are going to be directed to the product, and anytime they make a purchase, you are going to be paid a commission on the store 24. Now, once you have checked all the details, if there is any mistake, you can click right here, go back and make changes. Once you click on it, you'll be able to make changes in your ad. But in this case, there is no mistake. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to go ahead and then post it. So click on post ad. Once you click on it, you can see ad has been successfully posted. Your ad has been posted. You can upload images of the product and then update your ad. In this case, I'm going to upload images. So what you have to do is that you have to come on Google and then search for lean bellies. Search for the name of the product. Once you search for it, you're going to select images. Once you click on images, you can see these are images of the product. Any of them that you want, you can click on it and then download it. In this case, I want to download this image right here. So right click on the image and then select save image as. Once you click on it, you're going to click on save. Once that is done, you are going to select another image and then click on save images so that you can save the image. As you can see, the images has been saved. Once you save the images, you are going to come back on your ad, click on upload file. Once you click on it, you are going to select your image, click on open. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, click on upload file. You can see upload successfully. That means your image has been successfully uploaded. You can add another image, so click on choose file. Once you click on it, select a different image, click on open, click on upload. Once that is done, you can see upload successful. So your images has been uploaded. You can see this is the ad number, so when you click on it, you will be able to see your ad. As you can see, this is your ad. You can now see the images in the ad. You can see everything. So your ad is now live on the platform. You are going to be getting people from the United Kingdom to click on your affiliate link and then make a purchase so that you can be earning money on the Store 24. That is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.